Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to ExpressVPN for tracker blocking and privacy, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with ExpressVPN for tracker blocking and enhanced privacy, first, open your web browser. Visit the ExpressVPN official website. On the home page, locate the Get ExpressVPN button and click on it. You will be directed to a page showcasing various subscription plans. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Provide a valid email address and confirm it. Next, choose your payment method. You can opt for credit card, PayPal, or other available options. Fill in the required payment details securely. After confirming your payment information, you will receive a confirmation email. Open your email and find the message from ExpressVPN. Click on the link provided in the email to set your password. Create a strong and secure password for your account. Once your password is set, return to the ExpressVPN website. Log in using your email and the newly created password. Now, navigate to the download section for your device. Select the appropriate version for your operating system. Download the installation file by clicking the download button. After the download is complete, open the installation file. Follow the prompts to install ExpressVPN on your device. Once installed, open the ExpressVPN application. Log in using your email and password. After logging in, locate the Settings menu. In the Settings, find the Tracker Blocking feature. Enable tracker blocking to enhance your privacy. You can also customize other privacy settings according to your preferences. After adjusting the settings, connect to a VPN server of your choice. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.